Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to this video review. My name is Anna, and if you have been struggling with stubborn fat, no matter how hard you try, no matter how many diets you've tried or how many hours you've spent at the gym, I do have something exciting to share with you. Let me introduce you to Mitolyn, a breakthrough solution that's helping people finally achieve the weight loss results they've been striving for. So Mitolyn has already made a difference for thousands of people, from teenagers to people in their 80s, helping them tackle even the most persistent fat. So in this video, I'm going to explain how it works, if it works, and where to get it. You guys, just imagine being able to break through those barriers, boost your metabolism, and burn fat naturally and effortlessly. So we all know how discouraging it can be when you put in the effort, make sacrifices, and still don't see the progress you're hoping for. It's frustrating and can leave you feeling stuck. And that's why Mitolyn is such a game changer and why you guys should stick until the end of this video to learn more. It offers a fresh, science-backed approach to help you finally see the results you've been working so hard for. So what sets Mitolyn apart? First, it's a natural proprietary formula crafted in the USA at an FDA-registered GMP-certified facility. This ensures that it meets the highest quality standards using advanced technology to make it both safe and effective. The key lies in its powerful plant-based ingredients. Mitolyn includes components like maqui berry, rhodiola, amla, theobroma cacao, and more. These natural ingredients work together to supercharge your metabolism, helping your body burn fat more efficiently. Mitolyn is also dairy-free, soy-free, non-GMO, and undergoes rigorous testing to guarantee purity and potency. Unlike harsh chemical solutions or risky weight loss methods you'll find elsewhere, Mitolyn works in harmony with your body's natural processes. It's designed to help you feel and look your best without any dangerous side effects, keeping everything simple, natural, and safe. One of the best parts is that Mitolyn comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. That means that you can try it completely risk-free for 3 months. If you're not happy with your results, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. It's truly a no-risk opportunity, you guys. Just a quick reminder, Mitolyn is only available through the official website. Ordering from the official site ensures that you're getting the real product along with all of its benefits, including the money-back guarantee too. I have included the link to the official website below to make it easy for you guys. Don't miss this chance to take control of your weight loss journey and finally see the progress that you've been dreaming of. I hope this video has helped you guys out. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and here's to a healthier, happier you, because you absolutely deserve it. Take care.